Hey everyone, thanks for watching the OA Cheddar mini course on Amazon to Amazon flips. If you want to know more information about who OA Cheddar is and where you can find these premium Amazon to Amazon flip leads, click the link below to go to our website or join our Facebook group. Links are in the description below as well as on the video. Thank you and enjoy the video. Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be going over the Cheddar Flips Facebook group. I'm going to do a quick overview of what a lead will look like when it is added to the group. I'm also going to show you how to turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on an opportunity to purchase the flip as it comes in. With Amazon flips, the opportunity to buy these leads can sometimes be days long, and sometimes it can be as short as minutes long. So you want to make sure that you're being notified as soon as a lead is being shared with the group, so that way you can take advantage of the deep discount from Amazon. So right here I'm on the Amazon Flips Facebook group, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here to notifications. We're going to want to make sure that all posts is selected. And the reason for this, of course, is that way you are being notified whether it is on your desktop or on a mobile device of a new lead as it comes in. So you want to go ahead and select that, and once that's done, you're ready. So we're going to scroll down here, and what you can expect to see from a normal lead is a post that looks just like this. We will have the ASIN along with the title from Amazon of this item. And if it is a shoe or clothing item, you will have the size, the color, and then also the fit as expected percentage. And the reason why we add that in there is if an item has a low percentage of it fitting correctly, it could indicate that you could see a higher amount of returns on a certain item. We also add in the link to the Amazon listing and also the link to the Keep a Graph history. And the reason why we do this is we want to make this as mobile friendly as possible. So we're giving you all the links to be able to do that from your mobile device, so you can source these leads whether it is on your desktop or at home on your mobile device. You will also see 3 pictures in for these leads. One of them being a picture of the rev seller breakdown, which will give you the price in which you're buying it for, which will be this number right here in the buy cost area, and then a number which would be the average price that this item is selling for, whether it is Amazon or a third-party seller. So that way you can get a rough estimate of the potential profit that you could be looking at for this item. The next picture that you will see is a 90-day Keep a Graph history on the item, which will give you an idea of price change, sales velocity, just that information again, so you can source it whether it is mobile or at your desktop. You have a quick picture of the lead, and so if you want to investigate further, you're able to. And then lastly, you will see a picture of the item itself, so you can visually see, hey, what am I buying, and does that match up with what I'm seeing on Amazon? That will be how the leads are going to be delivered. Now the leads will be coming in Monday through Friday, and it will be a live feed, so they will be coming all time throughout the day. Sometimes it'll be a very heavy day and there'll be a lot of leads, and sometimes it might be around 10 or 12 leads, but they will be updated throughout the day. So you want to make sure that your notifications are turned on, and so that way you're being alerted every time that there is a new lead, and you can take advantage of that. Other than that, that's going to end it for this video, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. We hope that you found it helpful and informative for your Amazon to Amazon flips. If you want to know more about OA Cheddar and the Amazon flips that we provide, please click the links below in the description and on this video. There is one for our website as well as one for our Facebook community that you can join. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one.